What is going on? This is Super Simple Fixes, and today we're going to be learning how to fold a fitted sheet. You can see how well I did it before. It's a total wrinkly mess. Anyway, before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I also have a second channel now. It's called Top Tier Trivia. Make sure you hit that link down below and subscribe to that one too. Alright, so this was basically how it was folded before. Just like that. Right there, right? Takes up a lot of room, so we're going to actually learn how to fold this thing today. We take one corner. I'm going to take this corner and fold it into the other corner. So you want to take the corner, see that? Fold it into the other corner. Straighten that mess out. So we got two corners folded into each other, and then we're going to come down to the other side. We're going to fold this corner into the other corner. So corner 3 into corner 4, corner 1 into corner 2, something like that. So now we have our corners all set. We'll straighten it out. So this is what it looks like now. I've got corner 1 into corner 2, corner 3 into corner 4, and I've kind of straightened it out. And you just want to smooth it out a little bit. So now I'm actually doing it with one hand, kind of fold over on one side. I'm going to take the other one and fold over on this side. So it looks like this, right? Straighten it out even more. If I could have two hands doing this, that would help. And then I'm just going to fold it over completely. Right, and then fold in the middle. And there you have it. It's not a total sloppy mess, and it takes up less room. Alright, thanks a lot. Y'all have a great day. Leave comments down below.